Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today again. So today's episode, we are working on this 4Runner right here. It is a 4th generation sports edition 4Runner. What we're doing is we are installing a rock slider that I built for it. And the reason why it's special today is because it's got this system right here, and I'll show you. So this system right here is called the X-REAS system. Here you'll see it's got a hydraulic tube right here, cylinder right here, and it's got hydraulic line running to the back. And if you follow this line right here, it has a hydraulic line going to the front and crosses over to the other wheel. So the design is it's to help the vehicle maneuver better during extreme condition. What we're going to do is we're going to remove it. I've got permission from my buddy, the owner, and so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut this line right here, and then we're going to remove that cylinder right there, and just yonder there we're going to cut that line. We're going to remove this whole thing out because, as you can see, that banjo nut was connected to the original shock, but as you can see, the original shock is no longer here. This is an aftermarket kit, so it's no longer functioning. That's why we're cutting it off. You'll see here, this line here goes across, follows along the cross member here to the other side, and it's disconnected too. So that's why we're removing it. It's just taking up space, weighing the car down. And I'll show you again on this side. Here, it's not even connected to the shock anymore. So we're gonna be cutting this line right here so that we could take the system out. That's what we're doing. All right, guys, so these are the X-REAS. I think that's what it's called, X-REAS. That was on the 4Runner. Like I told you, I cut the end here, cut the other end, and then unbolt these right off the frame and then pull these off. And I'll show you how this thing looks right now. Let's see. She is installed here. There you go. Painted. The paint is still glossy, wet. And this is how it looks like from the rear. This side as well. Yep. And so this is how she looks like. There. Yep. So she's installed. That was fun.